mothers haunt a clutch, who skipped half of his classes and partied way too much, because now that he's the author of a New York Times bestseller, no one cares that he flunked English or that he's a bad speller, because apparently he's a brilliant storyteller. And they all look to me and say, the wife of a genius. What a life of charm, getting all that attention and photo shoots on his arm. It must be such a privilege to be the woman by his side. Did you know he was so brilliant when you chose to be his bride? Yes, I guess it has its perks. It's a different lifestyle. Did I know he had it in him? I've known it for a while. And now at Barnes & Noble, another book signing. Publishers who court him take him whining and dining. His fans approach him saying, your books have changed my life. When they ask him what's your secret, he says, my supportive wife. They saluted us with envy, saying what a perfect pair. Jack winks at me and smiles with cockiness to spare, because only he and I know the secret we share. But I keep playing along as the wife of a genius. I always have his back. It's my job to protect him, so no one knows that he's a hack. A man's ego can be fragile. He needs his daily accolade. So it's easier on the marriage if I continue the charade. I play dumb about his novels so he can go on pretending that he's written every word and I don't write each ending. Like when he came to me and said, I'm having trouble with this plot. I'm not sure what else should happen other than they tie the knot. In a loving tone I answered, suppressing condescension, my love, it's great, it just could use a little dramatic tension. For instance, let's just say your leading man was feeling really torn between the woman he proposed to and her sister who had sworn she'd never marry any man. She preferred to be a nun, but while meeting her in secret in her room, he found a gun. The whole nun thing was a ruse to draw his wandering eyes to her. She knew the thing a man can have's the very thing that he preferred. So she set out on a plan to kill her betrothed sister. But her hero learned of it, he found it easy to resist her. He exposed the evil plot and saved his bride to be, who, not knowing of his trysts, all this is true fidelity. Now being sure their love was true, they eloped and ran away and left the elder kin sequestered in a convent anyway. What do you say? Listening intently, Jack pecked me on the cheek and said, thanks, honey, good idea. And then he went to bed. Up through now I haven't minded my supporting role. I'm not the one who needs attention. Jack's a delicate soul. I always found it more noble to run Jack's defense imagine my surprise when Jack's little melodrama won the Nobel Prize. Now I don't feel so noble-minded as the media's portraying Jack as some literary rock star, and I'm the one who's slaying, and they should really be saying, hey Jack, you're the husband of a genius. How'd you score such a catch with her brains and your dimples? You guys make the perfect match. Have you ever considered giving her an author credit? Since everybody knows she does more than help you edit. She really must love you to be content behind the scenes while you take all the interviews of her favorite magazines. I don't mean to be bitter, but maybe now I'm finally seeing, for the first time in my life, there's more to me than being the wife of someone important. Besides, we might be better paired if being someone important was something that we shared.